Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you, some really good stuff. Also, be sure to check out the big list of Amazon promo codes. Fresh week, always lots of new deals to start the week. I believe it was over 180 new items with promo codes today, so I'll have that link down below. And I will link all these other items down below, so make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for our subscribers so you don't miss out on the next amazing deals. First up, we have the rechargeable LED work light, magnetic work light, super bright mechanic light by Shilipay, and it's 50% off. That is a 40% promo code and a 10% coupon, so about $12 for the magnetic LED work light. It even has the classic style drop light hook. How glad are you not to be using those with the metal cage and the incandescent bulb and burning the shit out of you all the time? I know I'm glad about it. Plus, every time the hook it fell off and it hit the ground, you broke the bulb. Went through thousands of bulbs, and that was just in a day. Garage hooks, heavy duty 12 pack. Actually, my fix for that at one point was getting those mini bulbs. You know what I mean? Like the ones that were physically smaller, because it seems like it was the bulb whacking the side of the cage that made it go out half the time. Irrelevant nowadays. Garage hooks, heavy duty 12 pack, upgrade frosted steel garage hooks by No One. It's 50% off, so it's going to be $11.99 for the 12 pack. That's a 30% promo code and a 20% coupon. By the way, these were all posted today, so they all were 100% working within the last couple hours. Hopefully still working now. They can be killed at any time for any reason, so you buy now, you don't wait till later. You wait till later, you end up a big crybaby with a tear in your beer, your dog will hate you, and he'll bite you in the nuts while you're sleeping. So if you don't want to be bitten in the nuts while you're sleeping, you buy now, you don't wait till later. That brings these down to $1 a piece, which is always the price point I personally am looking for when posting these style of garage hooks. Incredibly useful for all sorts of stuff in a garage, shed, basement maybe. But $1 a piece is my go-to. Normally, very long stretches without seeing deals that bring it down to that, but we just had a similar one a couple of weeks ago. So hopefully that's a general trend, but as inflation goes up, it gets harder and harder to find those kinds of things. Rechargeable LED flashlight, high lumen, super bright flashlight, tactical handheld flashlight by Key Peak. This item is 40% off with a 20% promo code and a 20% coupon on the page. Starts out at $29.99, so you're at like $18 or something. Now, the neat thing about this is it has the handy-dandy case, and the picture's kind of small, so it's hard to see, but it looks like it comes with 3 AAA batteries, and then right here is the little cartridge for the batteries. But if you don't want to use the AAA batteries, and I sure as hell don't want to use the AAA batteries, it also comes with what I'm guessing is an 18650, and then you use this sleeve with it because it takes up a little bit of the extra slack because this is in diameter a little smaller than the 3-pack with the cartridge. So that sleeve goes with that, and it all slides in. You're going to get higher lumens and longer runtime when using the 18650. I don't know. There's a couple of different flashlights that have this kind of dual battery system, and I'm just not a fan of the disposable flashlights or disposable batteries. We got a crimping tool by Hastetronica. Heat shrink connectors. I don't know why it specifically says heat shrink connectors. It would work with crimp style connectors of any kind. And one of the pictures they show the ones where you crimp and then you heat shrink the end so it kind of seals the end. It's almost kind of like heat shrink tubing built into it a little bit. Anyway, $19.99, 40% off. It's going to be $12 for the ratcheting wire crimpers. Now this Home Depot deal, I've checked it for 2 different stores, one here in Illinois and one in Arizona, because I had someone email me saying that they were seeing a price of $189 on these. I double checked it a second time, and I'm seeing, here's that Arizona store I was telling you about. I think that's Arizona. $59.88. That's what's coming up for me. So hopefully you're getting the same thing. Maybe it's regional. Sometimes they do that, but it's not real common. But what you can do is try going to, like, put this zip code in as your store over here, and don't do that, and see if the price changes. Sometimes you're able to add it to your cart and then change it to shipping to your residence, your house, and you can still get that discounted price. But that's what I'm seeing, $59.88 for a 44 piece of SAE and metric wrenches. Next up, we have a deal from Eastvolt. We've seen several deals from them of late. Seems like they're always 40 to 50% off when they do put out a promo code. Here's the 4-volt cordless mini electric screwdriver, USB rechargeable, 32-piece bit set to go with it. And this one is 50% off, so $12-ish for a little cordless screwdriver. Handy dandy, especially for the small things. This one I'm hoping lasts a while because it's a pretty good deal, especially when you think the Prime members are getting free shipping, so you get it right to your house, don't even have to leave. Impact grade socket adapter extension set turns power drill into high-speed nut driver. Hex shank quarter, 3/8 half-inch. It's by Fru Holt. It's 72% off, so it starts out at $11.99. You're taking 72% off. Not sure when that expires. Again, it was posted today. It was working earlier today. Should be working now. Brings it down to like $3 and change. And there's 1,900 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. Pretty damn good deal. Pretty damn good deal. Got the solder seal, 150-piece solder seal wire connectors by Tycon. They have a bunch of different styles of electrical connectors. Been posting deals of theirs for probably 2 years now or so. It's been a little while. Starts out at $9.95, and that's already a slight sale price, but then we also have a 30% promo code that's supposed to go through the 18th. So you're only going to pay $6 and change, and you can see, look at that, 14,000 reviews. I mean, they're selling the shit out of these things, a lot of them. I think the promo code works for other quantities on the page, so if you wanted more or less, give it a shot. And if you want more than one, try changing your quantity to 2, see if that discount doubles or not. That I did not check. Framing nail gun, 21 degree, 2-inch to 3.5-inch with toolless depth adjustment, pneumatic framing nailer by Do Tool. Starts out at $100, 40% discount, bring it down to $60 for the framing nailer. A lot cheaper than a cordless one, although those cordless ones are nice. Very nice. No hose to drag around, no air compressor. Black & Decker, another cordless screwdriver, completely different style here. 4-volt Rotobit storage screwdriver, 42-piece standard screwdriver bit set, $14.79 currently on Amazon. If we look at some of the comparables for this guy, Home Depot is $27.03, Acme Tools is $26.99, and Tulip $35.27. So more or less half the price of everybody else if interested. Over at Walmart, we have the Hart 20-volt cordless blower. Comes with the battery, probably a 2-amp-hour battery. There it is, 2-amp-hour battery. And the charger, down to just $49. About the cheapest you'll get a full kit on a blower. And, of course, Hart Tools now has a full lineup. So you can definitely expand into other things. We have, whoa, let's not get too crazy. Camping stainless axe with sheath. 18-inch multi-tool tactical hatchet sickle and flashlight for camping, hiking, hunting, backpacking. It's by Leonthral. 50% off, $16-ish after the promo code there. These things are actually kind of cool if you've never seen them before. I've had a couple of these like this style, and some places even have little camping shovels and such. But it all collects into the handle here, so this thing's hollow, and then you have threaded sections that break apart. A good place to stash your stash as well as the various things they include in there. Just leave one out, gives you a little hidey hole. You put whatever you want in there. Jump starter, 2,000 amp peak, 18,000 milliamp hour battery jump starter, quick charger, jump start battery pack 4, up to 8-liter gas, 6-liter diesel, by Ray Paver. It's kind of interesting because those are 2 V's, that is not a W. So maybe it's like Ray Power, but we're clever in using 2 V's. I'm not sure. 40% off, starts out at $79.88. Going to be, I don't know, $50-ish. After the promo code there. Super popular with the jump starters. Never have to worry about the dead battery. Still got to change battery in my truck. It's 5 years old now, but it made it through the winter. So I'm thinking I can breeze through the summer, and then when it starts getting cold next year, we're going to have to worry a little bit about it. We had a couple of starts this year that were like, come on. Don't leave me stranded. Had plenty of that. Bi-metal hole saw kit by High Chica. 17-piece high-speed steel 3/4 to 2.5 inch hole saw set with the case and the mandrels. $33.14. That's a sale price. Started out at $59.99. That's too much. Then we also have a 10% promo code to go on top of that, going through the 16th. So another $3-ish, $3 and change, bringing you under $30 after the promo code. There is our big ass list of Amazon promo codes. If you want to check that out, lots of stuff there. Trying to post the Lowe's deal of the day when they have tool relevant things. Lowe's is kind of different in how they do theirs compared to Home Depot's special buy of the day. As far as they have a lot of different categories. Home Depot, it's usually 3 different things. Sometimes they're related, sometimes they're totally different. But Lowe's, it's like 5 or 6, and instead of being a large collection, a lot of times it's one item. So for like this one section, the DeWalt, there was only one DeWalt combo kit. It wasn't like a bunch of cordless combo kits. So this one normally they say is $5.79. It's down to $3.99. But for a 5 tool, and I believe you're getting 2 batteries with that, $3.99, you're well under $100 a tool, so it's pretty good. The light's kind of meh. The angle grinder, it's the old one. It's been around for 10 years or more. It has a brushed motor, but I had that one for years and years, and it worked pretty good, and people seem to be pretty happy with it. If you look up reviews on that thing, it's not junk. It's just it's an older model. So, but $3.99 on that set. And then they had some ladders, these lean safe. These have been really popular of late. I keep seeing, okay, I don't know about really popular. There's been a lot of sales on these lately, so I don't know if that bodes well for them or if they're trying to get rid of them. However, it's by Werner, so, a well-known ladder brand. Normally I believe that's $209 there. And then $156 for today's deal of the day. Then this one down to $141.75. These lean safe ladders. And they're kind of like those multi-position ladders, similarities with those. But Home Depot just had maybe even the exact same ladder on sale. Anyway, I picked out these 2 things, but there's probably 5 different options. So if you click this link here, it'll show you everything for the deal of the day. And again, I'll update that page anytime it's tool related. Next up, we have the power inverter, 150 watt. Looks like we have 2 USB ports and the AC outlet. Plug it right into your cigarette lighter there. Starts out at $26, but we have a 50% promo code, so $12.99. It is by Zikopami. Home Depot deal here. We have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless brushless combo kit with 2 1.5 amp-hour batteries, charger, and the bag. So you are getting a brushless hammer drill, which is a pretty good deal. And then you're getting one of their oscillating tools. They actually have 3 or 4 different oscillating tools that have different model numbers, but look remarkably similar. So I'm not exactly sure which one this is, but I've owned 3 different ones, and outside of, I think one had different speeds, and the other one just a variable speed trigger or something. They look the damn same thing. Anyways, this is $149. It comes with the 1.5 amp-hour batteries. Second smallest battery you can get in DeWalt's lineup, so as far as the batteries go, you're probably going to upgrade at some point. I can't read the model number on that charger, but considering it's 1.5 amp-hour batteries, it's probably the DCB 107, which will give you 1.25 output. It could be the 112 if you're a little bit lucky. That's a 2 amp output. It's definitely not going to be the DCB 115. But $149, 2 tools, 2 batteries, and the charger. That's really good price. All you can see here, Acme Tools is $299, so twice the price over at Acme. This Wilton, I was kind of on the fence if I should even post it. I mean, compared to other places, it's a really good deal. I personally would not spend this, but we have the Wilton miter clamp, 4 3/8 miter capacity, 2 3/8 jaw height, 4 1/8 jaw length. So Amazon currently has it for $101.99. CPO is $194, Tool Orbit's $314, and Tractor Supply is $199. Yes, compared to other retailers, it's half price. If you wanted it, that's a good deal. But I don't got $100 miter clamp money. All right, give me a plastic one that's like $10. Good enough for how accurate my cuts are anyways. We got the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless 4.5-inch X-Lock angle grinder. So it doesn't show the price here, but Amazon has it for sale for right around $100. Acme Tools is $179, Home Depot $189, and Tool Up is $147 for the 18-volt Makita. We'll go on to page 2. Let's see how far we get through this. Milwaukee M12 quarter-inch hex impact. Right now on Amazon, it is $34.90. Now, that's going to be from a third-party seller because Amazon is not an authorized seller of Milwaukee tools. But, people worry about counterfeits or blah, blah, blah. That's very, very much overblown. The odds of that are very small. And especially if you look at someone's feedback. Like, I was looking at an eBay deal the other day, and the seller had over 180,000 feedback. And if you think a small percentage of people actually leave feedback, especially on Amazon. Amazon, it's like 1 or 2%. Speaking as someone who's sold thousands of items on Amazon, I can tell you it is a tremendously small percentage. Just think of how many Amazon purchases you've made and how often have you left feedback. So if you see any amount of feedback at all, it's a reputable person. It's not someone who's either not going to send you the product or is sending fake products, because the only people who get away with that are zero feedback or extremely low feedback accounts, and they get wiped out actually pretty quickly. So, and usually it's obvious because it'll be $1,000 thing for $10, and then, it's kind of your own damn fault. Home Depot, $99, Acme Tools, $89, and Tool Nut, $99. Also, yesterday updated the big list of Zorro deals. So it's the 100 most discounted items currently on Zorro's website if you want to check out that list. Again, we're updating these once a week, every day updating a different tool store. Now, I haven't updated the Home Depot one in 2 weeks now because I'm having tremendous problem with collecting the data and not getting the help that I should in solving the problem. So my options are creating an incomplete list that is going to be inaccurate or just not updating it at all. Hopefully it gets all worked out, but I'm kind of annoyed that I'm not getting responses from the people that should be giving me responses. Canless LED recessed lighting 6-inch 6-pack. So we did the video on this over the weekend. I really like these things. I like the night light feature. You can have the regular down light, you turn the switch off, turn it back on, and it switches to a night light feature that's, it's a night light, it's a low glow, and I just think that's really cool. Starts out at $59.99. We have a 20% promo code, a 5% coupon. So if you want to check that out, that's still available. We got the cordless angle grinder by Lagatoons. You get some discs, case, battery, charger, $129.99, but 50% off. So was that $65 for a full angle grinder kit? Especially good for someone who maybe doesn't need an angle grinder a ton and isn't someone who's using it for work every day, beating the hell out of the thing. I'm sure that'll last pretty well for you. 5-piece set magnetic positioning drywall screw setter dimplers by Tarusa. 30% off, $8.99. Got the promo code here. There was 3 different options. You had some shorties, some of these longies, and but by the time you take 30% off, another one of those, but you're also getting it shipped to you for free, so you don't have to run to the store to get it. We're going to wrap it up here with the Dysons, or Dissons. 24-piece long arm combination wrench set with rolling pouch, box end, open end wrench set. $49.99, 30% promo code through the 13th. So there it is, guys. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber, all that fun stuff. I will have all the links, as mentioned, down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.